Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to start a new series in which I will explain you many types of question which comes under ML or machine learning or data science. So here is the first video of this series. So in this video I am going to explain you two most important question which contains this main important topics. First is statistical measure and student feedback analysis with simple explanation. So let's get started. So here we go with the first question. So the first question says that give three more commonly used statistical measures for characterizing dispersion in student feedback data. For example, variation in teaching quality, scores, lab facility rating, or peer collaboration. Effectiveness. Discuss how these measures can be computed efficiently in large student database. So here are the measures of dispersion. So the three main measures which are taken is variance, spread from mean, standard deviation, square root of the variance. Third is IQR, interquartile range, middle 50% of data. Efficient computation, we will go for SQL aggregates like average, sum, count, and streaming algorithms for large datasets. Distributed frameworks like Sparks and Hadoop. So here is question 2. So suppose that the question feedback rating on scale 1 to 100 on a faculty monitoring effectiveness is given in sorted order. This like 13, 15, 16, 16, 19, 20. This is the sorted order of student feedback. So answer these following questions. So first is what is the mean rating and what is the median. Second is what is the mode of the data. Comment on its modality, bimodal, trimodal, etc. What is the mid-range of the data? Estimates the first quartile and third quartile. Give the 5 number summary of the rating. Draw a box plot of the data. How is quantile box plot differ from quantile plot in this context? So at first we will find the required things which we are using in the question. So these four are the prerequisites. So first is mean, which is 29.77. Mean is basically the average of the data. Second is median, third is mode, and fourth is mid-range. So now we will find the quartiles and 5 numbers. So first is Q1, which is quartile 1. So quartile 1 is 20.25 and quartile 3 is 35.00. The 5 number summary is min is 13. So the minimum is 13 and quartile 1 is 20.25, whereas median is 25.0 and quartile 3 is 35.0 and max is 70. So the maximum value of this data is 70 and quartile 3 is 35. So basically this box plot shows that this is the box plot explanation. So this box plot shows the distribution of student feedback ratings. The middle 50% of the student rated between about 20 and 35 shown by the main box. The median rating is 25 shown by the line inside the box. The lower whisker reaches down to 13, the minimum rating, while the upper whisker goes up to the around 52. The point at 70 is an outlier, a rating of higher than the rest of the data. The this helps us to see that although most student rated faculty within a tight range, one student gave an unusually score is one unusually high score. So here is the difference between quantile plot versus QQ plot. So quantile plot shows distribution of one dataset, whereas QQ plot compares two distribution, straight line and similar distributions. So here is the summary of two questions. Dispersion helps understand variability, calculated mean, median, mode and midrange, obtained Q1, Q3 and 5 number summary, discussed box plot and QQ plots. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you have a doubt, you can just ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Thanks for watching, guys.